Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, September 12th, 2022. Bulls are putting on, this is just a massive, massive short squeeze. We've seen these before, where we ran right into the first resistance zone that I put right around that 41.20. Now, I've been leaving the door open that we could even make it all the way up to these levels to try to close these gaps before everything is said and done. But I think what we want to do, if the Bulls can get above this, I think really probably the plan of action that I would be trading off of would be I'd wait and see if it gets through here. I would kind of wait and see how this 4,200 level plays out, and then if they can get above it, then really, what we'd be looking at is a move coming up right around that 4,200. So you start building a position in this zone right here. You could even do it in thirds where, if we open up tomorrow, take a third here, and then wait and see if we can get up to the 43.30 to possibly take another third on it. And but right now, I'm not really seeing any signs that are saying we have to rush into the short side. We don't have any bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart. The Naiad had some divergences, but they worked themselves out. So there's nothing really pressing me saying that we have to get short right now, except the fact that we're overbought. So if we get a little bit of backing and filling, I think we're going to find some buyers at anywhere between the 40.60, 40.30. If we get that first and we see this support hold, I wouldn't be against a long side trade. If we just head up, then we start building our short position. So that's really the way that I would kind of look at this. Now, we are seeing some bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart. So that is telling us that they're running out of steam a little bit. So if they gap up, I think it'll be a gap and trap and they'll bring it back down again. If they bring it down, we may kind of just chop around for a little bit, burn off the overbought levels, find support, and then head up. But right now, remain open minded. Like I said, we just have short term divergences. So it's not something that we'd be looking for any kind of massive swing trade right now. Let's just let this play out. We know the way the bulls run. They run until they can't run anymore. And then the market goes straight down. And I don't believe this thing is going to be any different. Now, one other thing that I want to show out is this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So this is giving us, say, 3,900 up to 4,000. So this is giving us an actual move that would bring us somewhere up into these levels, this pattern. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Again, if we pull back, I wouldn't be against looking to buy here. If we head straight up, then you sit there and we look to short. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.